Hello, Kortright families. My name's Mr. Cooper, and I have the privilege of teaching music here at this fantastic school. Let me give you a little tour of the music room. This is kind of like, well, this is what I tell the kids, this is my candy store. This is my toy store. Everywhere I look, there are interesting things that we should get into and learn about. So check this out. Okay, here is our kindergarten. Our JK up to grade 2 program involves a lot of singing, and I'll let your kids tell you who's inside of here. Maybe they can tell you who Gumpsy is. And we do a lot with rhythm, learning how to keep together as a group. These are rhythm sticks, and students learn to use these properly and respectfully and to play them without them being too loud. Then we progress on to shape drums that the students learn to play with a different kind of a mallet. And we progress on to playing keyboard percussions, xylophones. We're very, very fortunate here at Kortright to have, we have one of the best collections of xylophones in the entire school board, and these things sound fantastic. They're real instruments that we have the privilege of being able to use. We'll also get into some fun things. We just, these were found somewhere in the school, these boom whackers, and they actually play notes, like this one will play a C when it's struck against the ground, or me. We will eventually get to the point, once we have a higher trust level, we eventually get to the point where students from grade 4 to grade 8 might get a little bit of time to try the drums. We won't be able to do an entire drum unit. Obviously, we don't have enough for a whole class, but everyone who wants to be able to try the drums should be able to try the drums at some point this year. Similarly, with piano, we have 2 pianos. And again, we're very, very lucky to have these. So it's really important to me to get the students to be able to use these things. And we will also be using our class set of ukuleles. The ukuleles, look at that. They are just fantastic. We're so fortunate that families like yourselves got together and helped us raise money. A couple of years ago, we bought these things, and they've been a saving grace during these COVID times. Absolutely. Because unfortunately, we will not be using our clarinets, trumpets, saxophones, trombones. We won't be using, not even recorders, we won't be using the wind instruments this year. But maybe things will change by the end of the year. We'll have to see how it goes. Anyway, folks, my name is Matty Cooper. My email is mcooper@ugcloud.ca. And please, if you have any questions or if you have any comments, anything you want to talk to me about, please let me know. It's mcooper@ugcloud.ca. Thanks a lot. Have a great, great day.